If I don't get my 6,000 followers tonight, I swear. Just had puppies. This is a new mama. Reminding her to clean the puppies. Which, did you already clean that one? I like this one. This is how they clean them. They lick the behind. That's ChattaHucci. She had 5 puppies naturally. Did you clean this one? Just giving her a little friendly reminder that it's time to make the babies potty. These are Bodacious, champion Bodacious babies. This is ChattaHucci. 5 brindles, 1 chocolate brindle male. I'm liking these dark brindles. Some of them have full tails, so I'll probably keep the full tails.